Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the End Station 2 project showcase. Okay, I need to pronounce better. This is the fourth showcase of the project, and we are day 15, and I had hoped to have had finished this current problem on Friday, and unfortunately I ran into some issues and unexpected behavior, so let's take a look. Okay, no, F3 off, F5. Okay, welcome. So this is I think what I should have last time. Now, I had some problems. Now the first things I thought was going to be very easy. I had already tested this build, so I needed to add these struts. Okay, I did that. And then when I had some problem with upper build limits. Oh, little lag. So I decided to change building the pillars from one block per pillar each layer to building them up with a move to Z while placing blocks. And I did that fine, except oh, yeah, nobody is down there to be hit. When it started building the upper platform, I got this. It didn't fill in these 4 corner pieces. So, yeah, I filled those in manually. And after that I spent way more time than I wanted to figuring out these strut pieces. And then, which side is the correct side? There. And then I started working on the sides. Well, that started well, actually. So this entire first layer was built with the original coding I had for the sides. It then went to the second layer, and things started going wrong around here. Literally, at this spot, it ran out of building blocks at the test run. It went perfectly to the chest to get new building blocks, and then instead of turning that way, it started turning this way, building the next layer like so, and so. So completely the wrong direction. So I spent a few hours debugging, and I found out that for what reason whatsoever, I have no idea what's causing it. This is direction 1. Okay. No, it was not because of that. This was direction 1. This was direction 2. And this was direction 3. Well, on this layer, on this section. So 3, 4. 1, 2. There it had to pick up new blocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3. And then here it started on 4. So while it continued on this trajectory in the right way, the next time it got here, it thought it was on direction it thought it was in direction 3 instead of direction 1. So when it returned from the chest, it started back this way because this is direction 3. So new code, and I spent all day today on it and not working yet still. So I'm going back to the old one of my original concepts to build this and build an array for each layer. So it's going to be more or less that same principle. But yeah. So this is End Station 2, or a part of it. The good news is that I now more or less got an idea of how much space I'll be having. I'll be having around 50 to 60 chunks just in the upper section to play with. And a whole lot more downstairs, because in the upper sections levels will be 8 blocks high, and they'll be, except for this lower section, will be completely filled in. The upper sections will only be a quarter, and each level will be at a different quarter, giving me a whole lot more room inside. It will feel a lot more luxurious. While here downstairs it will be levels that are 4 high, so a lot more levels, and these will be the machine rooms and the power stations and the experiments, the laboratories. So this was, but before we end the video, let's have a quick tour. This was of course my previous test build, which I was been using a week ago. Still, time goes fast. This is the test build from a week before that, and I didn't remember there was an island like this that's close by it. Oh well. So those were all the test builds for the original code to build the upper part of it. Geronimo. So this was a week. That was a week ago. This was the test build I used 2 weeks ago. And these things were the test builds I was using on the first day that I started it. Well, but, okay, I need some redstone. Oh, bit of redstone, just some redstone dust. Okay. So these were the original concepts, like, and you could see these struggle. These sections are actually all done in a day. We're all done in the first day, so yeah. I remember that, like, from it was so not working like the way I wanted to do. But yeah, the only thing that's still this roughly the same with that code is the central platform, how that gets built. But let's return to our current structure and let's end the showcase there. So tomorrow I should hopefully have the sides done, and I'll be showcasing that, and after that I'll finally be able to start on the lower sections. Then after that I can start working on getting an entire build done by the code. And when that's done, we can start test running and stress running it, and when it's perfect we'll be able to use it in the end and in the next game. And I've been getting a lot of chunk or load errors. But my name has been Resender, and this has been the End Station 2 Showcase, Episode 4. Goodbye. Okay.